Good morning, good afternoon everyone. Thanks for joining. Welcome to the course Setups for Quote to Cash process in the cloud. If you are stuck in your career and looking for ways to get exposure to Oracle Enterprise Resource Planning and Supply Chain Management applications, you have come to the right place. In my previous course on Quote to Cash, I showed you how you can do the Quote to Cash business process all in the cloud using Configure Price Quote CPQ, Oracle Sales Cloud, Order Management Cloud, eBusiness Suite and Receivables Cloud. In this course, you will learn about Quote to Cash process, the cloud applications involved and the setups required for doing the Quote to Cash business process. You will also learn how it's easy to do the Quote to Cash business process compared to doing it in other on-premise applications. As you might have noticed, nowadays clients look for consultants to work on their projects end-to-end, not just for modules. In the current ERP job market, clients expect the consultants to know all the key business flows and how they can be enhanced for their business process very quickly. They want to follow the agile model even for ERP implementation. They want to be up and running the ERP cloud products in a few months, not years. So you have to be well equipped to take that challenge or you'll be left out. This is true even for super users who work as full-time from the client side. You can use some or most of the information from this course to write the exam on Oracle Order Management Cloud 2017 Implementation Essentials. I have posted the study guide for the Oracle Certification exam as well as a quiz for this course will be from this course as well as from the study guide. So please go through the course entirely, then go through the certification documents and take the quiz. Now I am going to talk about what you will get out of this course. First, you will learn how the Q2C process is done using Oracle ERP Cloud. Throughout the course, I will give tips and tricks on the functionality, reporting capabilities as well as implementing Q2C in a hybrid cloud environment. I will also talk about how you can position yourself in the current job market for working on projects in the ERP cloud. This is the case study I am going to use in this course. I will show you how to fulfill the requirements using hybrid cloud. In the case study, the customer wanted to move to an omni-channel kind of fulfillment where the motto is buy anywhere, sell anywhere. They want to give access to their customers to order online and pick up at home or in store like how Amazon does. The orders can come in from different ways through electronic data interchange EDI, desktop, phone, email, fax, online and from different channels like retail and distribution. They want to consolidate the order entry and processing to one system but fulfill the orders to a different systems based on the best fulfillment process. The agenda for the lecture is I will start with an overview of the Quote to Cash business process where I will show the overall flow of the demo starting from Sales Cloud all the way to Receivables Cloud to complete the Quote to Cash process. I have used Pick to Order PTO process for the Quote to Cash flow. After the demo flow, I will show the setups required in the SCM Cloud applications which I talked about earlier to do the Quote to Cash process in the cloud. Then I will summarize whatever I covered in this whole course